A very good morning, students. Are you all welcome to our online class? Okay, I hope you all are active in this class. Yesterday we are seeing some of our branches in the biology, right? Yesterday, so you say no. Yeah, today we are going to see the word animal kingdom. Okay, yeah, animal kingdom. What is an animal kingdom? Okay, animal kingdom. Kingdom, which means a basis of on a cellular level or a basis of on a tissue level or a basis of on a phylum. ஓகேவா அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இதை சில ஒரு டிவிஷன்ஸாக டிவைட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, ஃபார் ஸ்பீஷியஸ் ஜீனஸ் இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, நம்ம டீட்டெயிலாக ரீட் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, அனிமல் கிங்டம்னா என்னென்னு. ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் இன் திஸ் லெசன். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்று என்னது introduction. Okay, here this introduction, first thing, nearly how many millions of life on the cells? Nearly 1.5 millions of lives in the earth. But we have to know that only a few things. If you want to know that all the things for a detailed explanation, so you want to know the animal kingdom. Okay, next one here, based on the uniqueness, they are divided as a microbes, a plant and animal. Here microbes are having a separate character and plant they are having a separate character. Okay, animals they are having a separate character. Microbes, if we say microbes, based on the reproduction, based on the locomotion, they are totally different from the plant and animal. If you are taken a plant, they are totally different from the microbes and animals. If you are taken a animals, modes of reproduction are locomotions are just they are totally different from the microbes and plants. Okay, based on the uniqueness, yes, they are divided as a three group. Next one, every organism they are having a variations. Here there are first thing external appearance are okay ma, and internal structures are okay ma, behavior are and modes of living are okay. So totally they are they differ from that one another. Here a variation, based on the variation, external appearance. If you have taken a microbes, they are totally different. They are in a unicellular and they are having a shapeless, and some of them are having a shapes, a rod shape, spherical shape, like that. Here a plant, they are totally having a different shape. Okay, if you are taken a internal structures, animals they are having a total different type of internal structure, like this two animal, two things. Okay, next one behavior, they are having a modes of reproduction is different to that. A plant's behavior is totally different. Okay, animal behavior is a vast area. Okay, next one modes of living are they are usually living in a terrestrial and water also. Here they are living in a terrestrial area and water also. Here they are living in a terrestrial area only. So modes of living are just they are different from that. Okay, and next thing, here a method of arranging. So here there are a vast area na, so that they are given an arrangement for the animals. So that is the method of arranging of an organism into group based on the similarity and dissimilarity. Okay, similarity or dissimilarity based பண்ணி ஒரு group கொடுப்பாங்க. That is the meaning of a classification. Okay, what is a classification na? Just write it, a method of arranging of an organism into group based on the similarity and dissimilarity. This is known as a classification. Here a classification, similarity, dissimilarity, similarity. For an example, land la vaazhra plants ellame similarity character and dissimilarity. Some of the plants are living in a water area, but they are same species thane, but character wise similarity irukku, dissimilarity irukku. So that is the what classification. Here a classification of animal help to understand the relationship among the different groups of an animals. Okay va, in the relationship edhukku use agum, different groups of animals identify பண்றதுக்கு. For an example, parasites. If you are taking a parasites, here the first topic we are having the classification of living organism. Okay, classification of living organism. Okay, here they are given a classification of living organism. Living organism, just they are classified. How they are classified na? Based on the similarity. What is the first one? Based on the similarity. Okay ma. And next one based on that dissimilarity. Okay, and next one based on that relationship. Based on these three things, just they are classify the animal kingdom, that's the living organism. Okay, here we are given a 5 major animal kingdom, 5 kingdom of animal classification. Five kingdom of animal classification. Okay, let me see that one by one. The first one, they are having a Monera. What is the first one? Monera. Okay, and next one they are having Protista. And next one is the fungi. And next one, Plantae. And last one is the Animalia. Here last one is the what? Animalia. Okay ma, this is the what? A 5 major classification of an animal kingdom. Here a first one they are given a Monera, right? Here a Monera, which means they are contain a unicellular. How they are arranged in the animal kingdom na, based on this smaller, similar to a bigger, that is a smaller to bigger one. Okay, unicellular, that is a single cell, no? And here have to see their Protista, that is there comes under both unicellular and then also multicellular. Here they are having a proper cell organelles, nucleus, everything. But if you take a unicellular, they are not having a proper nucleus and cell organelles. Here a Protista comes under the multicellular organism. For an example, if you are taken an algae, they are also a multicellular. They are usually prefer to live in a colony rather than the unique. Okay, next one, fungi. Fungi is not kalan solluvom. For an example, வீட்டில் இட்லி எடுத்து வச்சேன்னா மார்னிங் எப்படி ஆகிடும்? மார்னிங் என்ன ஆகும் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? மேலே ஃபார்மிங் அப் ஆன ஃபங்கல்ஸ். Okay, there is a fungi. And here next one they are having a Plantae, which means all the plants in the earth, all the plants, not to the single plants, all the plants in the earth are comes under the Plantae. And next one you are having the Animalia. Here Animalia, they are having a different classification. I will explain that animal kingdom separate topic irukuma. Okay, ma anga explain pandren. What is an animal? That is the Animalia. Okay, they are having a different classification. So here based on the classification, this is the 5 bases of a classification of animal. Okay, let me see that one by one how animal kingdom are arranged. What is the basis for that? Okay, a first thing they are given a one term for this. Okay, here the lower, we already say that they are arrangement of a lower to higher. Okay, so first thing they are having a species. And next thing they are having a genus. And next one they are having a family. Here next one they are having a order. Okay ma. And next one they are having a class. And next one phylum. Okay, and next one, last one is the kingdom. Here just you have to see that the first letter of every word, K, P, C, O or so the O, F, G, S. Just have to write it K, P, C, O or O, F and G, S. Here K, P, C, O or G, F. K, just taken one letter for this. K, F, C of G, S. Okay, KFC க்கு போயிட்டு ஆர்டர் பண்ணி ஃப்ரெண்டு கூட குட் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் சாப்பிட போகிறோம் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் எ ட்ரிக்கி டு திஸ். Okay, just have to remember to order wise na. Just have to remember like this. Okay, let me see that one by one. A first lower hierarchy basis, species. Okay, what is the first one? We are having the species. Here a species is the lowest taxonomical category. Here now we are listed out na kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. these are all the taxonomical position. Taxonomy, we already said that given a scientific name for that. Scientific name கொடுப்பாங்க சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? So here is the taxonomical position of an organism, that is animal kingdom. Here a species is the what? A lowest taxonomical category. Okay, for an example, now I am going to give an example to you. Here, Indian parakeet. Okay, ma. And next one, Indian green parrot. Sorry for that. Green parrot. Okay, you know that what is in a green parrot? Here a parakeet. That is also a parrot, but that is a different species. Lovebird சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? That is the what? A parakeet. Indian parakeet. Here a green parrot. We all are usually seeing a parrot. That is a green parrot. Okay, here they are having a different species also. I just taken a two thing. A first thing, Indian parakeet. They are having a one scientific name. The name is Pachytacula eupetra. What is the name for that? Pachytacula eupetra. So this is a scientific name of an Indian parakeet. And next one, green parrot, Pachytacula cramari. So this is the what? A scientific name of a green parrot, Indian green parrot. Here a Pachytacula eupetra, Pachytacula cramari. First thing, so you have to know that one thing. They are having a two name na, Pachytacula eupetra. So this is the genus and this is the species. And here a Pachytacula cramari, this is the genus and this is the species. Where you have to write a scientific name for some animals. First letter, a starting letter you want to write in a capital letter, and second letter you want to write in a small letter. Because genus you want to write in a capital and species you want to write in a small letter. Here now we are seeing a word. A species only, no? A species. Here eupetra and cramari. That is the species name of a parakeet and Indian green parrot. Okay, they are having a different species. Here they are a species. They are having a one unique character. If you are not interbreed பண்ண முடியாது. Okay ma, so they cannot interbreed with one another. We can't do the interbreed of parakeet and parrot. Okay, so just they are breed with the same species. Okay, so that's it for a species. Here species la enna therusudhu, they are having a different genus of a parrot. Different genus la parrot irukku. Okay ma, they are different from the species only. Species la mattum different irukum. Idanaala interbreed panna mudiyadhu. Okay, so that's it for a species. Let me move on to next one, genus. Here genus, which means genes. Okay, for example, if you take an Indian wolf, and Indian jackal. Indian wolf and Indian jackal. The first one, Indian wolf is there, no? That is the Canis Pallipus. Okay, ma, what is the name for that? Canis Pallipus. And next one, Indian jackal is there, no? That is the Canis Aurus. This is the what? Canis Pallipus and Canis Aurus. Here a Canis, this is the genus name, and Pallipus and Aurus, this is the what? A species name. Here a Canis, which mean that is the genus of an dog. So here jack and wolves are comes under the dog family. Okay, dog family da wolf varanga, jackal varanga. So they are comes under the genus of Canis. Okay ma, so that's it for a genus. Let me move on next one, family.